Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tony here. So as you can see, I am at Big Bend National Park, and yes, Iron Butterfly is right back there in the trailer.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh.
The ride wasn't too bad. It was a lot better than I thought. The bike trail is really fine. Still got a little ways to go, but it was much better than I thought it would be. I thought it would take a lot longer, more like 10 hours, but it really didn't. I'd have to look at the time, but we're probably in the 7-hour range, which is not bad. Well, here we are. We're at the gates, the pearly gates.
See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go.
It's a nice bustling 79 degrees. I can't get a break. You know, I come here in October, 90 degrees. Now I'm here at April, spring, and it's 90 degrees. Well, not quite 90 right now, but it's forecast to be in the 90s in some of the places. So, you know, it's 80 degrees right now, which is nice, you know. It won't be too cold. Hopefully it'll be maybe in the 50s, 60s at night, and then warm up. You know, what is it? It's almost 3 o'clock and it's 80 degrees. So do some morning riding, and that will really be nice because it'll be cool, and before the heat sets in. The heat really is going to set in after 4. That's really cool. I remember that when I was here, I was like, wow, that was like the first wow moment of that mountain background, and then all these, I don't know what you call them, these outcropping growing out of there, almost look like stone mushroom. Holding strong at 86 degrees. We're probably gonna hit 90 today. We'll see. Good thing I have a cold shower, that way at the end of the day, it's like I'm all 90 degrees out. It's like, I don't care. I'll just take a nice cold shower. There's the valley down there, so that's the Rio Grande Valley area, I guess. Boquilla area. Really pretty up here too. I'll have to say there's quite a few more cars. Last time when I was here, I'd see one car on the road wherever I was going, if even that. It's definitely going to be a lot crowder this time. The park's probably, not probably, it is at capacity. They were, about a month ago, they were saying everything is full, no reservations, nothing. Anything you want to do in the park or stay, you have to do it off park. But that doesn't mean people are coming in for the day. So there's going to be a lot more people here. Hopefully the dirt roads aren't that bad. Bunch of vehicles on it. I'm not planning on doing all these paved roads, but I do need to get from point A to point B. It'll be interesting to see. But yeah, it's just gorgeous up here. It's 82 degrees. I'm surprised. I thought it'd be a lot warmer at this point. As you get further down, valley down here and closer to the Rio Grande, then it does get a lot warmer. Iron Butterfly is still hanging in. He's excited. Can't wait, you know, he's really looking forward to get on the roads, but also very happy that he didn't have to ride all the way out here, 8 hours to get here. Glen Springs Road, we'll be taking that for sure.
I'm dancing on the table. much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You've gotta look into my eyes.
Well, here we are. Let's get set up. That way. All right, so here is the campsite. Just arrived. Nothing set up yet, and here we go with the setup. All right, there it is. Camp is set up. Only took a couple hours, but there's here. Bike is all parked. Got my trailer parked. Got my water. The Jackery was charging away. The sun's kind of gone away, but I got my battery at 100%, and I got some, see, it's still at 100%. It was at 99. I got this charging, some batteries. But pretty much just getting not totally done, you know, it's a process. Had to get the tent up, get this up, got the kitchen going. Just gonna stow stuff now and get ready for dinner and take a break, and then tomorrow we're headed out. Tomorrow we are headed out. We'll go out early. It's, you know, 90 something. It was 90 when I got here, but now it's kind of calmed down a little bit. So tent's all set up. Got my lap of luxury. Got my stove, my grill. Just got to get organized, that's all. We'll go ahead and have some pasta tonight.